Hi guys, it's Tina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's been a very long time since I have uploaded a content about making ref magnets. So it's a perfect timing that I have an order of ref magnet, the ATM size one. So I just remember that some of my viewers who have a comment on my previous ref magnet video, so it was like 2 years ago, and recently I also received some comments, and they are requesting that if I can make an English version of the video, or at least put a English subtitles on it so that they can understand what I am saying or what I'm talking about, because I am speaking on my language, which is Tagalog or Filipino, since I am from the Philippines. So please bear with me because I will try to um, explain it to you in English so that my international viewers can relate or can get what I am saying. So yeah, this is about making ref magnets, or the ATM size ref magnet. So I will start again from the materials that I am using, or I will be using in this video. Yeah, so let's get started with um the magnetic sheet. So I am sure that in your area or in your country you have also the magnetic sheet. So I am using the A4 one, the A4 size of the magnetic sheets in the thickness of 1 millimeter or 1 mm. So you can also use the 0.5 millimeter also, but um this is the one that I prefer using. So this is the 1 mm thickness. So this is the non-adhesive one. So this is what I'm using, because there's also a magnetic sheets. So there's also a magnetic sheets with adhesive also. Yeah, so this is the one. I have an example here. So this is the 4R size and 0 millimeter thickness, and it has adhesive. Okay, so yeah, so no adhesive. This is the one I am using in this ref magnet. And then I am printing my layout designs or my image on vinyl sticker sheets, and I am using the matte one. So the first time I'm making ref magnets, I am using the glossy one, but I change into matte because the output or the printed layout outcomes are better when I am using the matte one than the glossy one, because the glossy one seems like darker. The color is like darker, so it's not good for me. And then when you see here, this is the outcome. This is the one without Photopaper yet. So you can see the output is better in the color. So nice. So yeah, I'm using the vinyl inkjet sticker, and I'm also using the pigment ink. Okay, so some crafters they use like sticker paper, and some of them is they are using photo paper. So it really depends on the reference. So I prefer using this vinyl inkjet sticker. Okay, so because I am using a vinyl sticker, so yeah, I am using the non-adhesive one magnetic sheet because I am using the vinyl sticker sheet. So because it already has a adhesive on it, right? So I can already stick it on the magnetic sheet. So Sorry for my dog. Yeah. So yeah. Um, where are we now? So I'm finished with the magnetic sheets and the vinyl stickers. So yeah, after I print the layout, so I put on the photo top, or what we call the cold laminating film. So we all know that we have um that there's a lot of laminating film or photo top. Yeah, we have a different kinds. So there's a matte. That's what I'm using now because that is the client request. So we also have glossy. We have the holographic one, the rainbow one, the 3D, the leather. Yeah, I have that different kinds also because I'm using that for different items here in my shop. So yeah, photo top, and then for the cutting of magnetic sheets, I have this one, the I have this PVC ID cutter or the die cutter. So we have this here in the Philippines. So I'm not sure if you have this on your country or on your area, on your place. But this is what I'm using because this is the size of the IDs or the ATM card that we have. So yeah, I just have to put it there, in there, yeah, as you can see. And then I'll just put in the center the layout so it can cut properly. So after I place that magnet sheets, then I'll just press it down so it can cut now. And if you don't have this kind of machine in your place, so it it's okay because you can always make your own size, or you can just cut it manually, like using these scissors. This is kind of tailor scissors, or you can use any kind of scissor which is kind of heavy duty, or the one which is not for papers, you know what I'm saying. So I'm using this tailor scissors because it can cut like thick material like this. So this is the already cut magnetic sheet, so it can cut the magnetic sheet like that. So as you can check on my other video, as I am making the cutouts one, the ref magnet, which is the cutouts one, where there's an image, the shape of the image, and then I just cut along the magnet sheets along with the image on its size. So you can check my video about that. Yeah, so that's why I suggest that you use the heavy duty scissors. So but for now, I already have the cutting machine, the Cricut machine. So I am not doing it manually anymore because I also already using my Cricut machine to cut the magnets. If there's some order of cutouts ref magnet. So yeah, for the packaging label, this one, the one you can see here. So I am using also a photo paper with 140 to 160 GSM, or the thickness of the paper. So it's not that thin, it's not that thick, so it's just fine for the packaging label because later on they will just tear it open and then just throw it away. So but at least I'm using a photo paper, the glossy one, and it gives nice output, so they can see your product still classy, still kind of professional or neat. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, so I'm using the double-sided one, but you can also use the normal photo paper, which is the not double-sided. So yeah, so it really depends on you. You can also the matte one or whichever you like. So yeah, the size of the magnetic the size of this label paper is also depends on the size of your plastic. So as you can see here, the plastic I used here is 2.5 inches, um, the length or the width. So the label paper here is also 2.5 inches wide. So it just perfect fit to the plastic. So yeah, that's it. I hope you can understand what I already said, and I hope that it helps. You know, yeah, I tried my best to to make this video in English so that um my international viewers can understand what I am saying about this ref magnet, because I know that there's a lot of you now want wants to make some income or extra income, a small business, as I am, because I just started of making some resin keychains, resin comps, some resin materials, and then one day one of my friend asked me if I can make ref magnet, and then she sent me the a photo of um, ref magnet sample, and she asked me if I can make something like that or something like this. And yeah, I said yes, I of course I can make something like that. So I tried, and then it started, and then yeah, it's already almost 3 years now, and I'm still making some rep magnets, and then my small business becomes better and better, and I already added many different kinds of items, like I also make now a photo booth, a photo book, yeah, and we also have a souvenir booth where we can make it on the spot, like print and press. I also make personalized uh, paper bags, yeah, like that. So I'm making this because there's an order of 60 pieces. So I have a lot of items to offer now. I have um, fridge magnet, like this one, the badge magnet. Yeah, if you are not yet familiar with this. So as I remember, I have uploaded a short video where I am making this kind of magnets, and yeah, I have button pins and so on. So I already have a lot of items now in my shop. So yeah, I think I'm done with this item. So thank you for watching, and if you still have any questions, don't be shy, just comment down below, and I will get back to you when I can. So yeah, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.